Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is DoorDash Crimson. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got started with shopping with DoorDash and you want to start delivering orders, but you've realized that you have to sign up for something called DoorDash Crimson. What actually is it? Now, when you go into your Dasher app and then you click on earnings, you'll see that you have a DoorDash Crimson. DoorDash Crimson is essentially DoorDash's way of paying you out, and it kind of acts as some sort of banking system. DoorDash Crimson, it has its own app built in. This is where your money gets deposited. You could also get a physical card to use, and you can still transfer your money from DoorDash Crimson to your own bank account. Recently, DoorDash changed to having payouts be via DoorDash Crimson. I would suggest signing up for it so that you get your payouts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually explain this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.